Henry got ambushed, now we're fighting for our life. Amazing. Man, you're lucky I don't have ammo. Oh my god, this guy. I literally got more health and he just insta-kills me anyway. What is this game? All of us are useless, honestly. I need a burner or something. What difference? Just get to the carnage right away. Honestly. Jump. Henry, get in.
Alex,
Henry, get in.
I think I got some of them away.
Henry, get in.
Go.
Oh, it's funny, bright. See.
Man, I tried luring them away as far as possible.
Drive fast. The acceleration on this thing is horrible.
Yeah, the turning is crap.
Actually, I'm jumping on this hill. Geronimo!
Don't jump off the hill, there's water. Jesus.
Henry, it's waterproof, it's electric.
That's not how it works.
Yeah, it is.
But doesn't this thing get destroyed if it goes too deep?
Yes, maybe. Most likely.
Made out.
Oh.
Get it? Oh, I almost got it.
Hey, what are you
Slow
doing?
down. I was going to try and push it. Go.
You're stuck.
Go.
Yeah. Going early to the beach again. Henry, do you see a purple marker in the beach?
Starving. Sorry?
Do you see a purple marker in the beach? In front of us.
Oh, I think I did, but...
Henry, there's a giant map. Right. Man, I don't think there's a parking brake on this thing. Man, you have to stand a distance away from this thing just to get in. Henry, on the
I think
little
you've
map,
actually got to hover...
do you see on the map?
Yeah, I see.
Is there a purple thing in front of
Pretty
us?
much right in front of us, I'd say. There's a purple dot. So there's also...
Ooh.
Oh, what the hell is this?
I think I ran over something. Oh my god. Okay, Henry, we're gonna go to the beach. You swim over, grab the gun, we get the hell out of it.
Hopefully not die from a shark.
Hopefully it won't be night by then. If it is, we're cooked, honestly.
Wait, I need food.
Oh, Henry, come here. There you go. Surprisingly, that's the only thing I can give you, honestly.
Craft a couple of...
I can't actually give you anything.
Check. You guys there?
Yeah, we're here.
Say we're both here.
Why?
Yeah, both of us are here. We're...
Why the fuck are there two golf carts here?
What do you mean? I grabbed one, right?
Did you?
Yeah. Do you see
Why is
two?
there two still here?
Oh, that's good.
Last time I found another golf cart, remember?
Oh, did you? Alright, nice.
Yeah, so we have 3 total.
Okay,
That's
I'm
good,
bringing Henry to the gun location.
Hold on.
We'll come back
Alex,
soon or
don't
later.
move.
Alright.
Henry, you got a deer, nice.
This is
Oh,
the
no,
one
I
you
didn't
ran
get it.
over, Alex.
Oh no. Whatever. Oh yeah, that was on microphone.
What?
I ate it raw. It's raw.
I don't think it gives you any poisoning, it just doesn't give you as much food.
Yeah.
Which is weird, like it should give you a lot
Honestly,
of...
what difficulty game is
Poison.
this? It's so hard. The enemies are so strong. Oh, I had grenades. I should have probably used that. Honestly.
Yeah, probably.
How do you use the backpack?
I've found out how recently, but I was pressing I and it would show up. I think it's...
Oh, hold I.
Oh yeah, hold I.
That's
Hold
so
I, yeah.
useful. Finally, so I don't have to open my thing.
Oh! Wait, Alex, do that again. Do that again.
Yeah. Yes, Henry, I have a skull.
Just
in
stay there a second.
Yes,
Take a
Henry.
screenshot
I've
of
got a
this.
skull and a gun and a light bulb for some reason. And a berry. Ooh. And it's poisonous.
Why is it...
Delicious.
Alex, why is it so big?
Really?
Hold on, do I have any berries? Massive.
Wait, where do I get a backpack if I'm wearing the one? That makes sense. Henry, you look old now. You look Mexican.
Yeah, I don't actually know what I look like.
I'll show you from the last video the tape. I'll show you a picture right now. From the last. Hold on.
Put it on Discord.
Yeah. I have to get it first. Hold on. Bro, you look so dumb in that. You look like Einstein, that's all I can say. Is there no skipping this? We're not editing this. Hold on, Henry. Give me a second. Henry, you can still hear me, right?
Yeah, I can still...
You okay? That's good.
I'm gonna see if I can find any.
Buff. Anyway, the problem with my video was that I forgot to turn on my microphone. So that entire time, I was just in the video, not doing anything. There you go, Henry. Henry, you see that?
Oh, I see what you mean.
Yeah, you look like Einstein, mate. Hold on, I need a...
God, I literally do. Why do I look so old but my skin
Wait,
is
what?
so smooth?
Guys, do you have snow over there?
No, we don't.
No, our snow is gone.
How the fuck do you not have snow?
Different part of the map, mate. Wait, how do you know?
You sent the images, what do you...
Oh yeah, never mind. Oh, RT, that's a different... That's from my video. I wanted to show how Henry looked. To tell him
Oh,
that he's
okay, but you
Einstein.
don't have snow, right?
No, we don't have snow either way.
Get in, Alex, we're going.
Whatever. Drive. Drive, but wait, you need, by the way.
Yeah,
So, to the purple mark in the ocean. Did we just run a guy over?
Those are people. Maybe.
Why
I
is it
didn't-
whenever you
Oh,
drive,
that's a deer.
we run someone over?
I just hit a deer. Why is it whenever I drive I just smash into a lot of animals?
Right, Henry.
Oh, that one was cool.
Henry, just because you hit screaming doesn't mean you need to run.
Oh, more animals.
No, Henry, no.
Oh, more
It's not
animals.
around. Henry. You ran over a rabbit, you monster. Oh yeah. Wait, no, I don't like this. I need to change it. Ah, I just had a lot of sticks. Oh yeah, this is good. I like this one.
So why is that tree so sturdy?
Because it's a tree. Now where is that buoy? Oh, I see it, Henry. You see that orange tree?
Okay, so I'm not turning left at all. I'm just going up. How
Yeah,
does
it's
that
uphill, Henry. That's why. Physics, mate.
Shouldn't I be going down? No, it's just naturally. Hey, we're playing football with a log.
Yeah, Henry. Come on, Henry, get out. Let's just stop. Who that? Henry. Henry, I'll deal with the people. You get to the boat. Why does he always have to run people over?
God damn it!
Henry, get to the water. They
My
can't swim.
fucking keyboard turned off at the worst time and I just drove right into them.
How does your keyboard turn off? Is it?
I don't know, it just does it. And I don't know how to fix it. Oh, a campfire.
Oh, this is where awesome stuff.
Hopefully I don't get killed by the shark.
Well, run like the.
Stay
Oh,
away.
Henry, there's food here. And
Alex, run!
I'm dead, Henry. Get away. Henry, please. Oh, insta kill. There's a pot now. Henry, are you dead?
To you.
Henry, help me. Henry, help
Alex,
me.
I'm coming.
Henry, quick! I'm about to die. Not by time. Okay, there you go. Thank you. Henry, wait. There's some food here if you want some.
Alex, run! Jesus!
Hold on, I'm taking some meds. Oh my god, Henry, you have no mercy. And you're suffocating. I'll help you. Honestly, the spear is so good. Henry, by the way, you can upgrade the spear.
You can just stand unless they lunge at you.
Oh, that does so much damage, honestly. I wish you can grab their sickle.
Alright. Careful.
Sickle, the thing that they use. Do I have any more medicine?
Wait, you can grab their sickle?
No, I said I wish we could.
Oh, yeah.
Henry, go eat some food, man.
Hopefully I don't get eaten by the shark. Goodbye!
Henry, that's what happened to you last time. Oh, hell no. Missed. Yoink. Henry, run. There's a guy with a spear. Oh! Henry!
Da-da-da-da.
Hey, give me my spear back.
Yeah.
Hey!
Alex, do you want some meat?
Nah, there's a guy running off with 2 of my spears that are inside his body. Wow, he's just gone. I'm gonna go kill him. What? Henry, I'm dead. Help me, Henry. Henry. What difficulty is this, honestly? Henry. Henry. Whatever. He's just walking. Oh, I'm underwater now. This sucks. Maybe if I go to the gun location, I can get some more ammo. Oh, I like it. You are dead to me. Beat your ass next time.
I am at the boat.
Collect the gun. Henry, grab the gun. It's on the book as always, Henry. Why do I get insta-killed by this absolute idiot? Oh my gosh, they do so much damage. What difficulty mode? I wonder if I can drown. Sick.
Hello, Alex.
Hello, Henry. I just had to kill the person who killed me twice. Do you want his leg?
Oh yeah, don't worry about the distant gunshots you probably heard. Don't
No,
worry
I was
about
dead,
those.
Henry. I don't know what you're talking about.
I definitely didn't shoot a random woman chilling on the beach.
Henry, you never get old, man. Can you not upgrade the spear in this game? Oh, that sucks. Come on, Henry. We gotta move
By
on.
the way, I do have the gun now.
Oh, that's good.
Look,
Yeah, I can see a
I
gun.
don't have that good axe though.
Alright. Let me see have the gun. I think it is better. Until it isn't.
Well, not really, because there's limited ammo.
Bro, the ammo is like piss all. Also, these enemies are strong as hell, bro. They do so much damage. I think this is the max difficulty. It has to
Let's
be.
ask Garty when we get to it.
It has to be the max difficulty. It's too hard. The enemies are strong as
So
hell.
first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna save my game.
No, Henry, you do it at the end. No, Henry, come on, let's push. Ah. Yeah. I'll do it. Nah. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark quickly, otherwise we're cooked it in the forest.
If Alex, if only we could use our gun while in the car.
I mean, we can on the...
Just drive up to an animal,
Henry,
just
Henry.
bang, bang, bang.
Henry, you can't do that on the one wheel thing. Remember that thing?
Oh yeah, you can, can't you?
Which is really good, I think. So next time, I ain't picking you up. use the one wheel thing, please. I hate this golf cart. It's so slow.
The thing is, you can't store the one wheel. There's stuff there.
Top box has some garbage. I'll take some
More
rocks.
tarp over here. More tarp.
Nah, I'm full on top, mate. Top is so...
Got a rock.
I need the rocks. Is that it? Seriously? One box. Whatever. Just follow the path in.
How do you honk the horn?
There is none.
Oh yeah. Why don't we press the pedal? Great.
What do you mean?
There's a single pedal on the floor,
No, I see
which
two.
I believe is the brake.
Henry, your foot is on one right now.
Yeah, but when we brake.
Oh yeah, you just keep your foot on that one, single one.
Yeah.
I don't know, Henry. It's Bluetooth. It's electric, what do you expect?
Bluetooth pedals. just
Stop,
driving past
stop.
bones.
Actually, drive over the bounty.
What?
No, Henry, that was a joke. Henry, this
I
is
didn't hear what you said. Move your mic a little closer so it's louder.
Why am I so quiet for everyone?
No.
That was completely pointless. Henry, no.
I wanna go in, I wanna go skinny
You're
dipping.
gonna drown, and then we're gonna have to walk. Which is even worse, we're gonna get eaten by you.
Fair enough. Let's add the rock stone of collision.
No thanks, Henry, it's already hard enough to drive.
Whee!
Henry, follow the
Go
road
on
to
a
our
shortcut.
right. Henry, there's a road to our right, mate. Henry,
Too bad.
Henry, if
Big
you don't
rock.
follow the road, then it's clean road. This is hell.
Yeah, but now I can run over more animals.
Henry, you have a better chance seeing me at. Why is it snowing over there? Is it because it's
No.
north of you?